guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you a very simple and easy way to take off your makeup after a long day. First thing you want to do is pack your hair up to get it out of the way, and after doing this we're going to move on to taking out the makeup. So I'm wearing falsies, so if you're wearing lashes you need to strip them out. You just need to pick them at the end and till the beginning of your eye, and that's all. Next up, we're going to be using the micellar water with some cotton pads. Cotton pads are better than face wipes, so you should definitely use this. So you're just going to pour some of the micellar water on your cotton pad, and I'm going to be starting with the perimeter of my face first. And you're just going to be going in circular motions, very gentle. This video is a little bit accelerated, so I'm literally not going this fast in real life. You want to be very gentle and take your time and just go on in circular motions till all of the makeup is out of the way. So now that we're done with the perimeter of the face, I'm going to be cleaning my eyelid next, and I'm not going to put in a lot of micellar water because I don't want it getting into my eyes. So just a little will do the magic, and you just want to go in circular motions as well over your eyelid and try to get out everything at once. Most of the time you literally cannot get out all of the makeup on your eye at once, especially if you use like mascara and eyeliner and the glue from the eyelash glue as well. So I'm going to show you what I usually do to get out the excess remnants. So next up, we're going to be using cotton buds to get out the excess eye makeup. So this is to clean if you have eyeliner on, if you had mascara on, and some of the glue from your eyelash glue as well. And I just put it with the micellar water and go over my eyelashes very gently and my lash line where I would have put my eyeliner. As you can see, it's picking up the residues that are left there. And I also go over my upper lash line as well. I put my mascara from underneath, that's why you saw me cleaning underneath. And then when I want to get the glue from the eyelash glue, I go on top of the eyelashes, on top of my upper eyelashes. And you just want to do that gently and nicely, and it's gonna help you get out the excess. Be careful not to poke your eyes, guys. I do my lips last because this particular lipstick is very hard to remove, and I didn't want to make a mess on my face, so that's why I'm doing this at the final step. As you can see, it's getting everywhere and it's really difficult to get out, but yeah, you just want to take your time and just keep cleaning and cleaning till you can get out most of the lipstick. By the time we wash our face, everything is gonna be out of the way. We're done cleaning now, and this is what my face is looking like after cleaning with the micellar water. You can see the makeup is out of the way, and I really did well with the lipstick. Now I'm going to be using this Neutrogena face wash to just wash my face. So first you want to wet your face, and then we're going to be applying the facial cleanser onto the face and just going in circular motions and just making sure it gets around the whole of your face. And this is the final step in getting rid of any makeup that was proving difficult and still didn't come out with the micellar water. And I'm just scrubbing over my eyes as well. And then after this, we're gonna be rinsing. Don't forget your neck, guys, especially if you applied makeup on your neck. You want to make sure you wash that as well. And so I'm just rinsing my face, and there we have it. This is a clean face. This is what a clean face looks like. So yeah, as you can see, all the makeup is out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and like, share with your friends.